Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode is cool and right here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 13 Pro. But they also have this available for I believe like the iPhone 13 and also iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. And they also have this available in different colors such as like I believe blue, green, black, and some other color as well. But the one that we got right here is a black one, and it's from this brand right here. They call this the CamShield Pro. But first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like on this side. If you flip it on the other side right here, this is basically what it actually looks like on this side. When you guys read the material inside right here, it definitely is a hard material, but this is basically what the inside looks like right here. Let me actually put it on the phone first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so I got the iPhone 13 Pro right here. Let's put it on. So basically all we're going to do is just clip it in, snap it in on all four corners. Once you guys have it in, this is basically what the case looks like. So if you guys want to open up the lens right here, you basically want to just pull up like this, and then there you guys have your lens. If you guys want to lock the cover, you basically want to just pull it all the way until it locks in, so that way it doesn't block the lens or anything. And if you guys want to lock it, you basically want to just push down this way, and it locks in. You can see right there. And then we guys feel the material on the back right here. It definitely feels really nice. It definitely has the material in the back right here to give you guys a very good grip when you guys actually hold it. Same thing for the side as well. So here's what it actually looks like on the side right here. You can definitely see the button right here on the side, and they have the logo right here. If I flip it to the other side, they have the button on this side as well. And when you see on both sides, they definitely have the good grip on here. So that way when you guys want to grip it, you definitely can. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they definitely have the opening for you guys to plug in the cable to recharge it, and they definitely have the opening for the speakers as well. If you guys look really carefully in the front right here, and also in the back right here, it's raised just a little bit to give you guys that extra protection that is needed for your case for both the lens on both sides. So that way you don't have to worry about the lens cracking or breaking anytime soon. And if you guys look really carefully in the corners right here and throughout the case, it definitely has this little bumper on the corner to give you guys that extra protection. So if you guys ever drop it, you don't have to worry about it. And obviously because the case is so thin, if you guys want to use the magnetic charger or if you guys want to do wireless charging, you can definitely do both on this case. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys are going to look for a brand new case for your iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, or iPhone 13 Pro Max. And especially if you guys like the design of this case where it gives you guys the option to open up and close the camera option right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually they do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.